Folks, if you've ever run a big AI model on your laptop, you know the struggle. Fans blasting, freezes, and endless waiting. Today, we're fixing exactly that. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. RunPod offers flexible options. GPU pods for personal projects, instant clusters for heavy workloads, and serverless endpoints that scale automatically with traffic. And yes, this video is sponsored by RunPod, so you know we'll get the inside scoop on how it all works. I'll show you how to move your AI projects to the cloud in just a few minutes. And quick heads up, this isn't just a place to rent GPUs. The platform offers a full AI infrastructure for developers, ideal for experimenting and deploying models at scale. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Mates, RunPod is a cloud platform designed for developers who need serious AI power without the headaches of local hardware. It's a complete infrastructure for training and deploying models at scale. You can spin up personal GPU pods, launch instant clusters for heavy workloads, or use serverless endpoints to handle traffic automatically. Everything runs straight from your browser, fast and hassle-free. Here you can experiment with code in a Jupyter notebook or run apps that scale automatically to thousands of users. Now, folks, let's open up the console. This is your command center. The interface is super clean, but don't let that simplicity fool you. There's some serious power under the hood. Let's break down the tools available. First, we have GPU Pod, your personal supercomputer in the cloud. You rent it, connect to it, and code or test models, so it's perfect for development. Next, Serverless Endpoint is for ready-to-go products. Say you built an app and suddenly thousands of users start using it. The system adds compute power when traffic spikes and scales back down when it drops, so you only pay for what you use. Friends, third, we have Instant Cluster. It's heavy artillery for anyone who needs massive compute power across multiple connected GPUs. And then there's Storage Volume, basically network storage you can share across all your pods. Today, though, we're going to focus on where every creator starts, creating their first pod. We open it up and here's the settings panel. Think of it like a candy store for developers. You get to choose what your code will run on. Guys, at the top there's a handy filter panel where you can choose your setup. Everything from CPUs to cloud options and shared storage. You can even pick the region for your server, so your deployment is closer to you. You can also select GPUs by VRM depending on how much memory you need. And here's the selection of cards. Everything from the latest RTX 5090 and powerful H2 or H100 for model training to the trusty 4090. For today's task, we don't need a supercomputer costing hundreds of dollars. A single 4090 is more than enough. It's the gold standard with 24 GB of memory and fast performance for less than $1 an hour. Mates, we click the button and go to Configure Deployment. Here you can edit your virtual machine, expand storage for big AI models, set custom ports, and more. We check the pricing for our pod, and you can even save it for months or years ahead. I save the settings and move on to the next step. And here we see our deployment on the map, RTX 4090. Folks, let's take a look inside. And there it is, our digital beast is awake. It's running, ready to go. RunPod gives us full freedom. Connect via SSH if you want, or use the web terminal like a real hacker. But for clarity and simplicity, we'll go with the easiest option, Jupyter Lab. One click and we're in. What you see now might look like a regular website, but in reality, it's the control panel for a powerful server. Every command we type here will run on that RTX 4090 we just rented. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thank you to RunPod for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, let's see what this little beast can do. We're going to create a simple image generation program. I'm using the diffusers library. Think of it like a translator. It turns English text into pixels and colors using our GPU. Check out this command, to CUDA. This is the magic line that tells the system to load the neural network straight into the graphics card's memory. Our RTX 4090 has 24 GB of memory, so everything loads instantly. Folks, now the moment of truth comes. I enter a prompt for a futuristic mecha warrior portrait with a detailed description right here. The program starts running, and we can watch the runtime. And here's the result. It took literally seconds. If I had done this on my laptop, I'd have enough time to grab a coffee while it thinks. Here the result is instant. That's the beauty of runpod. You get supercomputer speed and only pay for the minutes you actually use, without worrying about hardware. I can also tweak the prompt and generate a new image just as quickly. Mates, let's run another cell. This time it's a cyborg warrior with glowing eyes. And just seconds later, the image appears exactly as we imagined. Now let's try another one. Run the cell, the pipeline loads, and just 10 seconds later, the image is generated. All this runs on the RTX 4090 GPU we connected. 13 seconds total, which is incredibly fast. We just launched the model and got instant results. It's perfect for development and testing. But if you're running a startup, you don't want the pod running 24/7. If users only visit during the day, runpod has you covered. Guys, this is where serverless comes in. It's made for production. You can package your code from GitHub, so GPUs only activate when a user request comes in. When 1000 users access your app, the system scales automatically. When everyone goes offline, it shuts down, so you don't pay for idle time. For now, since we're not in production, we save money. Runpod bills by the second, so the moment you finish, hit stop, and that's it. You only pay for the minutes you actually used. As you can see, folks, we get access to top-tier hardware you can't buy in a store for the price of a coffee. There are no contracts and no complicated setup, as everything runs straight from your browser. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. And that's how it works. AI projects running at supercomputer speed, straight from the cloud, without freezing your laptop or breaking the bank. Runpod gives developers and startups full flexibility. Experiment with personal GPU pods, scale up with instant clusters, and use serverless endpoints to handle user traffic automatically. Everything runs efficiently and you only pay for what you use. The tool lets you test a model today, scale tomorrow, and never worry about hardware limits. Whether you're generating images or deploying an app, this platform saves time and headaches. Friends, check the links in the description to get started with runpod, and feel free to share what you create. It's easy to follow and everything runs right from your browser. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.